let's start with like philosophically, like why do you feel like that this is an important step for you guys to start integrating?
For me, that's the beginning of once we get into the cross-chain signatures and being able to onboard folks that says, okay, I'm going to create the graph protocol, Etherscan, and maybe a Twitter API agent, then they can do that pretty quick and easy. A lot of things. I think where we had some trouble, especially moving from ETH to Near, we were ahead of the game in all the different worlds on the Rarible front, right? We had more users, we had more features. But when we went to Near, we kind of went onto a bit of an island. We had to rebuild everything from scratch. We had to help with the standards. We had to do a lot of stuff. And the Near community, although great, is quite small. Mm-hmm. And for us, being able to access other different groups and partner with other folks and help participate in the transaction building mechanism, like we're good friends with the Gnosis chain folks and Stefan. Now we can build partnerships with them and things that they're doing, right? And we can, and it's not hard for us to do once we get the chain signatures running. And right now we've got Arbitron, Gnosis chain, ETH, and OP signatures working, but we're waiting on the proximity team to get the final audits done, where then we can ship that to mainnet. So on Mint-based wallet, you'll see all your tokens, and then you'll see an ETH area just as much as all the other tokens. You'll be able to transfer using either ETH or potentially a Mint-based token if that ever gets created, and actually be able to convert a token directly from that to the gas chain relayer to make the transaction happen. I think that's fascinating. I mean, imagine being able to go into a prompt and say, mint a token with this sort of metadata on ETH, Gnosis chain, and Near, all within a single prompt. And once we start getting into that world, you can't really rely on one single token to do all that, right? Or you can't think that the person's going to run that transaction and then send 3 different types of tokens to do that.